Yeah. Yeah. Central League. Yeah. Yeah. Today is today is June 2, 1:10 a.m. and I'm crying. And this is the first time in a long time that I am doing video diary again. Yeah, I'm suffering for 4 years. And I've been suffering for 4 years. And it's kind of hard. I try to build up more characters in my mind. Like, when I'm in school, kupal ako, magkasama ko sa lambayan, kupal ako. Like, I, I shit myself. Not that shit myself. Like, like I shit myself. Yun nga. And, yun, sorry. Maybe, kung pinagdaan nyo to I don't know, maybe I'm dead. Maybe I'm dead. And I don't want you guys have another. I don't want you guys have one of your closest friend or family, diba? Kamag-anak, relatives, a mountain or tito na he did. That's why I'm that's why I uh, yeah, uh, so that's why I'm staying strong. And if I die, di ba itugtog ko is Moon by Kanye West. So, kahit paano, masaya ako pag namatay. Because that song, if you don't know, guys, I mean, you guys really don't know that. Si Kendra lang. Na, ano, um, 4 years ago, I almost, I tried to kill myself. Kasi, di ko alam, no pandemic, yeah, about that, I've been suffering alone. Tapos yung before nangyari before pandemic, I got bullied. And matagal ko nang dinadala yung sig na yun na I got bullied. I don't like that. I know at some point I was the bully, but I thought by doing that gets better. Uh, Simulan natin nung kid, kinder ako sa harvester. Pumasok kami doon kasama ko si Bobby. Tapos, umiiyak ako na ayaw ko pumasok doon. Kasi, after nung nangyari na yun, ayoko na talaga pumasok sa school na yun. Pero I finished it. Yung ano na yun ay, kinuro ko ng teacher ko sa isang room. Tapos, sobrang kapal ng libro na yun. And I don't know math at all. Like, sobrang hina ko sa math. And, ayun. Uh, nag-start. Like, doon talaga nag-start really na, na maging worst. Nung grade 1 ako, nilipat ako dyan sa Platero. Sa Ples. Yeah. Nilipat ako dyan. Tapos, a lot of shit happened, you know? A lot of things shit happened, you know? Utang ina. Yun, yun lang. Nung grade 1 ako, I don't know. Gusto ko lang naman makipagkaibigan eh. Tapos, yun, lagi ako nilalayuan, di ba? Like, you know, grade 2, wala. Di ko alam ginawa ka nun. Ay, ano pala yun? Ay, yun. Mas lalo naging worst. Sinampal ako ng libro sa mukha. Tapos, pinagkagarden ako mag-isa. Pinagkagarden ako mag-isa. Tapos, hindi ko alam gagawin ko nun. So, I thought, akala ko talaga normal yun eh. So, grade 3, diba, kahit pa paano, na I got relief. Kasi, diba, lola ko yung teacher ko, si Ma'am Bederico. So, grade 4, nun lalo pala, na I always get picked on, you know? Like, yung sa science namin, one time na pinapahinga kami ng malalim. Tapos, diba, kasi I am fat, you know? You guys know that I'm fat. Pinapahinga ako ng malalim. Tapos, huminga daw kami ng malalim. Mahahawakan namin yung ribs namin, gano'n. So, I tried that, you know? Ginawa ko yun. Pagtapos nun, mag-awak ko sabi sa akin, wala ka namang ribs, di mo mahawakan yun. Pero, ayun, tapos, tawa sa akin yun. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko, no? So, I just laughed it off, you know? Just nung grade 5 ako, that was the best, you know? It was the best. But at the same time, it's not. Kasi, I always feel out of place every time, everywhere, you know? Ayun, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. I'm 70 years old, turning 38 in September 27, 2026. I was born September 27, 2008. Grade 6. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Siguro mas lalo lumala na I just need guidance, you know? I just need guidance. I don't know. Bakit ano? Bakit? Ba't nangyari sa akin yun? Tanda ko yun. Nabugbog ako ni daddy doon na ano kasi di ko na ano yung module and I don't know what's happening that time but I thought it was okay and it's not, you know? It's fucking not. It's all my fault, you know? It's all my fucking fault. Tapos yung grade 7 ako, yeah, I did a lot of shit, you know? Na ginawa ko lang naman is, wala. Pumasok ko first quarter, to second, to third quarter, to fourth, hindi na ako pumasok. So, tinatamad ako kasi ayokong mabully kahit online yun. Ayoko. Grade 8, ito nagsimula. Naging better yung mental health ko, di ba? You know what happened? Brian, Jiro, Aubrey, get their chatting me. Yun, as grade 9, sana nandito kayo, Francis, Lorraine, Jessica, Bayek, si Kat din, sana nandito kayo sa burol ko ha, na, sorry, na, kung kailan time ako, Leto, sa burol ko pa, diba? Sa inyo rin, Aubrey, diba? Ay, sa inyo rin, kailan Sean, pasensya. Um, teka lang. Yun, 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 pasensya. Yun, yun, uh, sorry. Ay lang naman masasabi ko, sorry, pag wala na ako eh. Diba? Kung kailan wala na ako, wala naman ako mapapansin. Yun lang. Uh, sa mga hindi ko ka-close, yeah, pwede ba huwag niyo sabihin na nung nabubuhay pa ako, I was a good kid, you know? Ayoko ng ganun. Diba? After ng boron na to, wala naman na kayong magagawa, diba? I'm dead, you know? I'm fucking dead. I killed myself, you know? And, yun lang. Ayokong mangyari ulit yung nangyari before na I'm gonna take my own life. Like katulad nung last year. I tried to kill myself sa birthday ko mismo. Oo. I tried to kill myself sa birthday ko mismo. It sucks, you know? It sucks to remember that shit because birthday is supposed to be my birthday, not my death day. Yun, I seriously don't know what to do right now. I just need someone to talk to, you know. Yun, I can see you sa day 2. This is my diary number 1. I recorded it June 10, 1:10 a.m. to be 1:10 a.m. to be exact. And Simon is crying right now. I don't know. Maybe It got worse. It got worse. Yeah. I seriously don't know what to do right now. Gusto lang makipag-usap kahit kanino. I was asking for help sa mga friends ko kakagabi. I was asking to like have walk with me, and I know it's late na nun, pero I fucked up, my life is fucked up. Yeah, that's it. It's not that's it. I just wanna say sorry kay Labani, kay Daddy, kay Nanay, kay Royly, diba? Dahil kay Sam, meron kayong, kay Nanay, meron ka, ulang kwentang apo, diba? Thank you kasi, you you care for me, talagaan mo ako mabuti, diba? Wala kang pinagkulang, nanay. Yun, kay daddy, uh, sorry daddy ko, uh, kung sobrang disrespectful ko sa'yo na I don't see you as my father, you know, kasi sanay ako na malakad yun. Yeah, yeah, yun, yun, kay mami naman, thank you and sorry, message sa inyo lang, sa lahat na nakatin sa buron, thank you and sorry kasi, thank you kasi, so tos, kay mami lang to, kay sali-sali ka ng pupirot ka nyo, sorry, mami kasi, I killed myself, pero you're not the worst mom, you're not a mistake. For me, you're the best mom in the whole world. Sana, pag, pag may hinilig si Royly, and you promised him, ano pa rin mo? Diba? Yun lang. Tapos kay Royly, sorry, Royly. Kung kuya mo, nagpakmatay na, di ba? Sorry. Kung gano'n nangyari, yun lang. Yun, pasensya. Yun lang. Yun, tapos, yeah, yun. Sorry, Roy, yun lang. Bailan ang sasabi ko sa video na to, paulit-ulit lang na sorry. Diba? Yun, yeah, this video is going to upload on my YouTube. Lahat na mangyayari sa akin. Yun, ano pa, before I was vlogging. I remember that shit. Oh shit, I could go back in time to like do that shit. Yun, tapos, yeah. My biggest dream is to become a pilot, and I don't think, I don't, I don't think na mangyayari yun, di ba? Yan, isa-isa na ako magsasorry sa mga idea ko, di ba? Kay Brian, pasensya. Kaya ako may mga nasabi ako before sa inyo na nakaka-offend, pasensya. Eh, kay Lorraine lalo, sorry, sobrang sorry sa lahat ng mga ginawa ko ng katarantaduhan, di ba? You know what it is, you know. Ah, kay Johan, pasensya pre. I know hindi ka na makakapunta dito kasi nasa kumbento ka. And, sobrang sorry ha. Sobrang sorry. Yan. Um, kay Baby, kay Kendra. Kay Baby. Hi Baby, sorry. Sorry na, na I'm dead. Um, sorry kung marami akong pagkukulang sa'yo. Sorry if I'm the worst guy you've ever met. Sorry if you didn't feel heard. Sorry if you know what the banana is. Sorry if I keep breaking my promises. Sorry if I hurt you. I pinig, uh, overthink kita, pinaiyak kita, lahat. I don't want hurt my baby intentionally, you know? I don't want hurt my baby, you know? Yeah, ayun lang. And siguro, June 2, 1:30 or 1:10 p.m. Kikita kami ni Kendra. And I wish you get better, you know? Yun lang, Look, yun lang, yeah. Yun, kaila, kaila, kaila Yesha, kaila Marco. I wish dito si Marco, diba? Sana nandito, I hope they are here. Sila Bobby C, si Kyle, Tito Trisha, Tito Jack, Tito Allen, the two Allen, Sean, Tita Hani, Tita I always, si boyfriend ni Tita Trisha, si Kim, his girlfriend, Ate Bea, and her boyfriend, Tita Kat, Tita Karen, Tita Apple, Tito Ron, diba? Sana nandito pa rin si Papa, diba? Maybe if he's still alive, it would be better, you know? Mas magagay pa ako ni Papa, you know? Yun. Si Zion, si Kevin, si Sam, si Seth, si Lucas, si Esha, madami ko minsan sasay naman ni Mami. Si ko, si Kuya Lay, si Lay, Kuya John Ron, Yana, si Kuya Dio, Ate Jelay, si Ron, si Yen, si Dustin, si Tuten, si Kuya Cyrus, si Tuten, si Tito, si Iya, Ate Gwen, her girlfriend, si si uh, si Ate Dedeng, sa lahat ng pinsan ko, siya lang pala yung nag-care sa akin ng bata ako. Yun, si Ate Dedeng, si Kuya June, yung the GOAT, one of my best friend. He was my best friend before. Yeah. Like we all know a lot of things. Like, tayo na, tanda ko yun. So, kahit di ako sumasama nun, I always see him somewhere. Basketball and he get tough and he get good physique. Ate Allison, Ate Angel, yeah, Ate Angel. Yun, yung mga boyfriend nila. Except kay Ate Dede. Yun. Sa dulo naman, sa dulo part si Hennessy. Hennessy. That's it, si Hennessy. Ano, tatawag. Sa kabila, Ate Laril. Sunod, si Deggy. Si Deggy ulit. Si Deggy lang naman yun eh. No, I mean, si Deggy lang naman yung isang bata doon. Na pinsan ko. Sa kabila, si ano, sa kabila, sunod doon, si Kuya Eros at si Gabi. Sunod, ito dito madami. Si JB, Kuya Paul, Kuya Daniel, Kuya Bay. Kuya Bay, sana tumangkad ka na. Si Cairo. I know he's not my cousin, but pamangkin ko siya. Pero, I hope he's doing good right now, So, ilang naman eh. Did I forget someone? Okay, sa mga titos naman. Well, some of them are not my close, Hindi ko sila close at all. Like, no. But when I was a kid, yes, they were my close. What the fuck is closed? Why the fuck there's a fucking T in the end? Yun lang. Ano masasabi sa inyo? Joke lang. May masasabi ako. Yes, thank you. Na kahit paano dumala ko dito. Wala naman kayo magagawa kasi kabarangay ka-strict din lang ako, di ba? Kamag-anak di ako. Yun. Yeah. Yun. Hindi ko na alam. Siguro, this is Simon out. This Simon gonna end this record. I started this record June 1, 1:10 a.m. and this Simon signing out.